Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can connect your TikTok with CapCut or vice versa. So for example, if you want to connect your CapCut account with a TikTok, first you have to create your TikTok and CapCut account first. So you will have both account. So we start from the CapCut PC version. So you can simply continue with TikTok. So here we go, authorize TikTok with Google Chrome. So you can continue with your Google account, and here you can sign up. You can enter your 4-digit year, and here we go. Now you sign in with the CapCut and also the TikTok. This is the TikTok website, so you can click to log in. Now you can log in with a Google, and here we go. So your CapCut and with your TikTok account is synchronized right now. So here, remember, you have to log in or sign up the TikTok and CapCut account with the same email account. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also, click the next button below. See you in the next video.